Namaskar friends, welcome back to Mohanjanics. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. Till now we have thoroughly discussed about power and energy signals. In this lecture we will discuss about a signal which comes into a category of neither energy nor power signal. This category is very much important for our exams, so we must know. So without any delay पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. Neither energy nor power signal. Which is neither energy nor power signal? If the signal is having infinite magnitude at any instant of time means at any particular time, if the signal is having infinite magnitude, then it is called as neither energy nor power signal. Okay, so what are the examples of this category of signal? That is, we also say it as in shortcut NENP, neither energy nor power signal. So examples of this kind of signal is, we can directly say 1 by t. As for t is equal to 0, this signal will be infinite. So xt is equal to 1 by t will be neither energy nor power signal. What is the other example? I can say that other example is t. Let's say x2t. x2t is equal to t. We will take it as x1t, now x2t. So for x2t, if we draw the graph of x2t, this x-axis we will take as t and this will be as x2t. Then the graph will be like this. And negative side also like this. So this signal approaches up to infinity at infinity amount of time. That's why this is also neither energy nor power signal. Now takes an example of graph. We will draw graph of this kind. Suppose it is approaching to infinity. So this x3t will be neither energy nor power signals. These are some examples. You can also find other examples. फिलहाल इस लेक्चर में इतना ही. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोगों को ये नाइदर एनर्जी नॉर पावर सिग्नल का कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया. अगर हाँ तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, अपने दोस्तों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और अपने कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई क्वेरी हो या फीडबैक हो तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूलें. और मेरे साथ इसी तरह जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हाँ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करना ना भूलें, जिससे आपको सारे वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिलेगी. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद.